These are my people, and this is my land. This is what we pray.
Hi everyone, back here with Bottle Struck. We out here on a little small back road. The truck's right there. I'm just hitting a little ditch line. Just jumped off in here. There's a little bit of broken glass here. We'll see what this is. Absolutely nothing. Slick. All right, there's another one over here in the side right here. I think it's modern. Yep. We're gonna walk down this creek right here. This is also the same creek where I found my Birmingham Coke hutch. So we're gonna walk it and see what all we find here. Let's see what this is. And that's a modern beer bottle. So I had somebody get pretty nasty with me about not picking up trash. Y'all, if I was out here all day long picking up trash, I'd never find anything. I wouldn't have made it to about where I'm at right now. That's about how far I made. Hey, look at there. No doorknob. Now check that out. There's cool cream. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. There you go, now you can see it. Did not have my waders with me today, so got the old feet on, but it is 70-something degrees, so we're good. Piece of old bottling works. Not sure where it's from. There's a piece of medicine. Like I said, I found the Birmingham Coke hutch here, but I only check this spot out every once in a while. The modern. But there is tons and tons of glass here. Try and get it. There's two modern bottles right there, as you can see. And we gotta figure out how to get around all this. There's somebody a football. There's a Chero Cola laid right there. See if I can get a town on it. Walk down to the water. Wow, that's surprising. There's a Dora, Alabama. How'd that get here? That's pretty neat. I'm gonna keep that. Always make sure you look in the banks. A lot of bottles be sticking in the banks. That was actually one I just picked up. That's part of a milk. That was on the sandbar there. You can see there's tons of trash in here. Oh, let's see what this is. And it is a slick, probably an RC. Oh, that was deep. This water is not the warmest right now. Let me be off in it much deeper. Man, kind of breathtaking. There's another milk. There's 2 bottles, but one's broke. RC. There's a bottom one. Ow. There's 2 bottles right here. Oh, piece of bottle and a broke one. It's not an old one, but not every day you see the 7-Ups. I'm actually gonna harvest it too. We're gonna hold on to that one. Heck, it might not take very long today for me to run out of. There's one right here, it's broke, but we'll get it out and see what it is. It's just a beer bottle. Oh, come back here. My bottle's back. The water's trying to take the other bottles I'm saving. Right there is a Michelob. We got a nice little log jam. Good bottle catch. Trying to look before I go over. Oh Lord, that was a stretch. There's also another bottle right here. Another Chero. That's more like it. That's a Jasper Chero Cola. But it's all broke up. We shall not harvest. Get my other 2 bottles. We'll roll on. There's another beer bottle. There's your old perfume. Another shard and a whole bunch of modern stuff there. Piece of a bottle. Modern bottle. Set these down real quick. See what this is. Nothing. Nothing. As you can see, these sandbars are loaded with shards. There's something pretty interesting. Waterman's ink bottle. Pretty neat. I think I should have brought a backpack. This little creek ain't usually this giving. I was up the road from here and found a Illinois and Arkansas, both hobble skirts, but both of them had damage, so I didn't keep them. This is soft, super soft. All right, we need a bottle to pop up, a good one. That's a newer one. There's tons of shards, but nothing whole. Nothing spectacular. That's probably another 7-Up. If I was to bet. We're gonna look. Matter of fact, we're gonna set these bottles up here on the bank. I'll come back and get them. Getting working out. Bring my backpack out here. Looks like today. No, it's a slick. Yeah, man. Another modern. Oh, but it's not my age bracket. Let's get a bite of this. There's a hobble skirt right there. And it's broke. Of course, it's a Birmingham. It's a Pat D. If I get popped by one of them snapping turtles today, I'd be very upset. It's cold. It's warm outside, but the water's cold. And I got tennis shoes on. Not be a good day for me. Yeah, nothing. And that's probably a big cola. Nice old trash can. And let's look down in here, see if we see anything. Absolutely nothing. Alright guys, we're back out on another creek. This one fed right into it. So we're going to keep on going down a little ways. I know this creek real well. I know I can't go too much farther because I don't have waders. There is a ton of glass though. Oh, there's a med right there. Let's check out this med. And it is a slick. This is pretty med though. Yeah, like right here, super deep. Super deep. And super deep. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you like your creek walks, hit the like button, hit the bell, subscribe, like this video, and make sure you share it. And like I said, I just got off work. I just figured I'd stop by here and check out what we had. So y'all have a great day. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you. All right, guys. Had to cut the video back on. I was coming off through here, and there's a hole right there, and saw this sticking out. And I'll clean it off, see if y'all can see what it is. I know what it is. But it's an Edison battery oil, made in USA. Thomas Edison. What does it say? Incorporate. Well, what the hell? I can't hardly read it. But anyway, it has his signature. There you go. Let's check, see what else we find. See if we find anything. Well, actually, there's a bottle right there. Holy crap, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. There's another broken bed. Alright. Ow. Well, caught up in briars. If this is whole, here's a good one. Dora Cola. I don't see any cracks in it. That is phenomenal. Man, that's phenomenal. That's crazy. From Dora, Alabama. Man. Y'all have a good one. I appreciate y'all watching. We're going to get this back home. Get it all cleaned up. I'll post the pictures.